Welcome to SPED 707. I'm just going to walk you through Moodle and your syllabus really quickly. I wanted to let you know first that Moodle doesn't always email me right away when you send a message. So if you'd like to get a hold of me right away, please go ahead and use my cell phone, 816-824-5864. It's listed in the course, or you can use my email address, maggieMosher@gmail.com, which is also listed in the course. Moodle, if you just message me there, I might not get it for a week or so. So just wanted to let you know. When you click on the syllabus, your syllabus will pop up. The interesting thing about this course that sometimes is confusing is you do have some choice in what you get to do for the course. And one of your choices, you will automatically, if I see you guys are doing a good job reading your text based off of the quizzes and the reflections, you will automatically get 100% on one of your options. So you will get a freebie on them. This week you'll have your introduction due, but every week you will at least have 3 assignments due. Every week you'll need to watch the videos and do your weekly reading in the book. After you've watched the videos and completed your weekly reading, be sure to complete either the quiz or the reflection. Do not do both. It's your option, a quiz or a reflection. You also have a weekly question. I need you to answer the question by Wednesday of every week. Since we're not meeting every Wednesday, that is your Wednesday meeting, is you will answer the question by Wednesday, and then someone will respond to your answer, and you will respond to others' answers by that Sunday. So be sure to get your answer to the question in by Wednesday. If for some reason you miss Wednesday deadline, it's just a point off every day until you do respond. The reason for this is just to make sure that everyone has something that they're able to respond to by Sunday in order to get full credit. The final thing that you have every week is you have an assignment. Week 6, your assignment is your big task stream assessment. Week 7, your assignment is the big computative test. The test is on all of your reading, primarily. It has a few questions on the videos, but generally it's mostly the readings. For weeks 1 through 5, you have a choice of assignments. You can choose to do any of the assignments 1 through 7 in any order. Each assignment has a rubric and an example for you so that you know what you're supposed to complete within the assignment. Remember, you can do any 5 of the 7 assignments. You do not need to do all 7. This is on week 1 through 5. Then week 6, you'll have your task stream assessment due, which is the lesson. And then week 7, you'll have your test on the readings and the videos. This is sometimes the most confusing because the course is a universally designed for learning class, so you have a lot of options. But the easiest way to remember is every week you have 3 things due. And every week you'll need to watch the videos and do the reading in your book. The only week where you'll have more than 3 things due are the first week because you have the introduction, just to introduce yourselves to one another, since we're not meeting this first week. We will meet on week 2, We'll meet on week 2 and week 6 through Moodle on Wednesday at 6 p.m. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. In your Moodle shell, you'll find the syllabus first, then a rubric for everything that's due, the weekly discussions, the reading quiz or question, and then all the options 1 through 7. After those rubrics, you'll have examples of the options 1 through 7. You do not need to look at all of these unless you choose one of those numbers, but these are examples. After the rubrics and the examples, this is your task stream assessment, which is the multisensory phonics lesson plan. It'll be due week 6. We'll have some discussion on it during the class before it's due, so you'll have some time to discuss what you're doing and to ask any questions. You will post this both to Moodle and to TaskStream. There is a rubric for it, as well as 2 separate examples of the lesson. This is just a guide for you of some internet and apps that you can use as you're going through this. And then the following is if you have any APA questions or need any assistance remembering APA. That's what the final 3 things are. I will open 2 weeks at a time, so once 1 week is complete, I'll open the next week. So the first 2 weeks are open for you. You will watch the videos. They're always labeled, video 1 through 3, 2 through 3, 3 through 3. I'm sorry, the beginning videos, I had some trouble with my speaker, so they are a little quiet, so you'll have to turn up your volume, but the problem should be fixed in the remaining videos. Again, every week, except this week you have the introduction, every week you'll have the PowerPoint, the videos to watch, your reading to do, the question for week 1, completed by Wednesday, your response, Sunday, a response to someone else, your reflection or your quiz, and your assignment. That is something that is due every week. I hope you enjoy the course. I look forward to getting to know you in the introduction, and I will see you through Zoom next Wednesday at 6 p.m.